Today I'll be telling you how to use the Hooponopono for your arthritis. Many of the people have the problem with the leg pain as well as they have the pain with the joints. Now, how you are going to use the Hooponopono for the same? Basically, when your root chakra is blocked, that time you will have the problems of the arthritis or the joint pains. So now we'll be using the Hooponopono for arthritis, for your legs, knee pain likewise. So let's start the knee pain, Hooponopono. I am sorry my dear knees for not taking care of you. I am sorry my dear knees for disrespecting you. I am sorry my dear knees for judging you. Please forgive me my dear niece for not taking care of you. Please forgive me my dear niece for disrespecting you. Please forgive me my dear niece for not giving you the proper nutrition for your functioning and the proper rest. Thank you my dear niece for always being with me and giving me the good health always. Thank you my dear niece and my joints for functioning properly always. Thank you my dear niece for always being with me. I love you my dear niece for giving me the good health for my legs as well as for functioning properly. Thank you my dear legs and my knees for always being with me. Thank you my dear knees and my legs for always being with me as well as for giving me the proper balance while walking as well as while sitting. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear legs, for always being with me, and I love you for always being with me. I love you so much. So, likewise, you can chant it for your arthritis, and till the point you feel better, you have to do it morning and the evening so that your arthritis pain will go on. And if you like such a type of the videos, please join my WhatsApp group and you will get the more updates on the my upcoming sessions of the healing as well as upcoming sessions of the law of attraction. And don't forget to share this video with your 3 friends so that they will also have the benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.